Welcome to Amazon 295. Introducing the Fantic Mini electric screwdriver crafted from durable aluminum alloy. This precision tool is designed to meet your every handiwork need with exceptional torque control. Equipped with a high torque of 0.2 Nm and a low torque of 0.05 Nm. Alongside a manual torque of 3 Nm, it ensures precise handling for delicate tasks. Ideal for tablet computers, mobile phones, watches, cameras, and precision instruments. Prepare for any repair task with its comprehensive 50-in-1 set of metal bits across 9 categories. The S2 hardened steel construction guarantees durability and safety, ensuring reliable performance. Powered by a robust rechargeable battery, certified to handle 400 screws on a full charge. The convenient Type-C port ensures quick and efficient charging. Its powerful motor operates at a maximum speed of 200 RPM, making tough jobs effortless.